Hey everyone, if your microphone is not working on Telegram voice calls or others can't hear you, don't worry. I will show you how to fix it step by step. First, check if your microphone is working. Open the voice recorder app on your phone and record a short message. If the audio is clear, the issue is with Telegram. If not, restart your phone and try again. Next, make sure Telegram has microphone permission. Go to Settings, then Apps, App Management, or Manage App. Find Telegram from the list and tap on it. Tap on Permissions and ensure microphone is allowed. If it's denied, Telegram won't be able to access your mic. If the issue continues, try clearing Telegram's cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Manage Apps. Find Telegram from the list and tap on it. Then Storage, then clear cache. This won't delete your chats but can fix microphone glitches. Now check if another app is using the microphone. Apps like WhatsApp, Zoom, or Google Assistant may be blocking Telegram's access. Close all background apps and try making a voice call again. If the microphone still doesn't work, update Telegram from the Google Play Store. Bugs in older versions might be causing the issue. If that doesn't help, try reinstalling the app. And that's it. Your microphone should now work on Telegram voice calls. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Telegram fixes. See you in the next one.